Hello everyone, welcome back to Tekno Jenius. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an animated film from a storyboard like this. So let's get straight into how it's done. But before we continue, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss out on other interesting information from us.
Okay, the first step is, of course, to create a storyboard. Let's open GPT chat and create a storyboard. My prompt was, make me a 20-second animated children's story about saving a starving cat. Create a storyboard, complete with scene names, scene numbers, dialogue, and more. Okay, here's the result. It's pretty good and meets my expectations. So friends, creating a storyboard is crucial in creating a video story. So if you want to create a video, whether it's action, fantasy, animated, or anything else, create a storyboard first. Okay, moving on, let's get straight to the point. Here, I'll just use one tool, Google Flow Omni. We'll upload the storyboard to Google Flow. Don't forget to check the settings before generating, making sure the Omni model and ratio match the storyboard. We'll add this storyboard to the command prompt, then enter the prompt and click Generate. Okay, here's the result. Now we have one problem: how to create a sequel to this storyboard. It's quite easy. We just upload the storyboard again to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to create a sequel to the storyboard I uploaded. The result is now available, so we just repeat the previous steps. And here's the final result.
Alright friends, that's it for this video on how to create an animated film from a storyboard using free AI. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next video.